Hello students, I'm solving IIT JAM 2019 this OPM circuit question. So in this question they're asking what is the amplitude of V naught, okay, and they have given here V input. So this is the ideal op-amps. So automatically if voltage is Vi on non-inverting terminal, so here will also voltage will be Vi, okay. So assume, so here the output of first op-amp is say V dash, and output of second op-amp is V double dash. So here this is grounded, so here automatically voltage will be 0. Similarly, in this terminal voltage will be 0. Okay, now we can solve this circuit. Okay, so here is a 0 and here Vi. Okay, so 0 minus Vi divided by 10 kilo ohm. Okay, so this is the current. Okay, so the same current will go here. So here is Vi and here's V dash. Okay, so Vi minus V dash equal to upon 35 kilo ohm. Okay, so now we can solve this one. This will become minus 35 Vi equal to 10 Vi minus 10 V dash. So from here I can get V dash equal to, this become 45 V input divided by 10, so this become 4.5 V input. Okay, so this is my V dash value. Okay, now we have to calculate V double dash for V double dash. Okay, so how to calculate? Now here is V dash, here is 0. Okay, so V dash minus 0 divided by 10. Okay, and this become 0 minus V double dash, 0 minus V double dash. So because the same current will go here, minus 35. Okay, divided by 35 kilo ohms. So kilo ohm cancel. So V double dash will be minus 35 upon 10 V dash. Okay, and we know what is the value of V dash, minus 35. Okay, so this become 3.5 now. This become 3.5. So 3.5 into this become 4.5. So into 4.5 Vi. Okay, so this is my V double dash. So V double dash is minus 3.5 into 4.5 Vi. Okay, now I have to calculate this V naught. Okay, so again this V double dash minus 0 divided by 10 equal to 0 minus V naught divided by 35 kilo ohms. So kilo ohm cancel again, and this will give me V naught value equal to minus 3.35 divided by 10, 3.5 V double dash. Okay, and minus 3.5 and V double dash, we know it is minus 3.5 into 4.5 into Vi, V input. Okay, so this become plus, and V input value is given 200 millivolts. So this become my V output become 3.5 into 4.5 into 3.5 into 200 millivolts. Okay, so if you solve this one, it will give you 11.03 volts answer. Okay, so this is your solution of this question. Okay, thank you very much.